So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos and videos to the multimedia page. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the Pages menu, and you're going to search for multimedia. Again, we have a lot of pages, and so you don't want to have to paginate through them. They're done alphabetically. Searching narrows it down. So you click on the name of the page, and that opens the page so that you can edit it. And so this page is built using the page builder that the other pages have utilized. And the only two areas that you're going to be editing here are the photo gallery and the video gallery. So the photo gallery uses a component of the page builder called a masonry media grid. So if you click on it, you will see all the photos that are added to it. And so if you want to delete a photo, you would click the red X here. And if you want to add a photo, you click the green cross. Now, an interesting thing happens when you add a photo. All the other photos that you had added previously also show up. And this is important because when showing up. So when you click on that link to add a photo, all the photos that you already selected showed up. And this is important because this is actually how you would edit the title and the caption if you have one. None of the photos currently have a title caption. But if you see all the photos that are checked off, those are photos that have already been selected. So to add another photo, you would just click it, and you can see now it also has a check mark. And then over on the right-hand side, you would put in a title and or caption that would get added to the photo. And if you wanted to add a title or caption to an existing photo, you would just click on that photo that's already been checked, and you could add that information there. That piece of information shows up when you roll over the photo. It would show up in this gray bar here. So that is important to know if you want to edit the titles and captions of existing photos. Then you would do it by clicking on the green add cross. Now you can also remove photos here just by simply checking the box in the top right corner, and now you can see that photo no longer has a check mark, and so that photo will not be included in the grid. So once you have edited the titles and captions and you've selected and deselected the photos, then you say add images, and it's going to edit your grid, and then it will then end up changing on this page. And you can add as many photos as you want if you want the grid to be long. You can also replicate the grid, and you can you can make rows of photos with titles above them if you really wanted to. Once you selected all the pictures, now we're going to hit save here, and that saves the grid settings for the Masonry Media Grid. And don't forget to hit update in the top right. Hit update to make sure that you saved the whole page. So with the videos down on the bottom, it's a little bit different. It uses a different feature. It uses this video player feature, and then each video underneath has a tagline. So the way that you're going to add a new one is you're going to use the copy button. Remember the two little pieces of paper. You click that button, and that makes a copy of that. and you're going to drag it to the next column, and then you're going to do the same thing with the tagline, and you're going to put it here in the second column. And then you're going to click the little edit button here to open up the video box. We don't use the title for the video here because it comes up really large. That's why we made the title smaller on the bottom, because this is not just the only video. We're trying to create it more like a library. So what you have to do is go get the link for your video, and usually it's going to be a YouTube video or Vimeo video, and you would copy and paste the link into this field right here, and then you would hit save, and you don't need to touch any other of the settings. And then for the text below the video, you would hit edit, and then you would edit the text however you want, have it say whatever you want. And you can add links to other pages, so you can highlight some of the text, click the link button, and you can add links to go to other pages or to other websites, you know, if you want to give credit for the video. So the text, you can put whatever text you want below the video. Okay, and then that you would hit save, and that would commit your changes. And then again on the top right, you're going to hit update, and that'll update the changes for your whole page. So that's how to add photos and videos to your multimedia page.